Can you sing?
Hi.
Hi.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
You want to come here?
You come here.
You taking the gun?
Not gonna need it.
All right, don't take it.
I won't even wear it. It's just a precaution.
Will you call me when you get home, please?
I've been hired by a couple of men in Philadelphia, a doctor and his wife. A few days ago, they picked up a young girl hitchhiking off of 81, a runaway about 18 maybe. They buy her a meal. So all through dinner, the doctor tried to convince her that at the very least she should pick up a phone and call home. Not surprisingly, the girl ate her meal, excused herself. That was the last they saw of her. We had a friend of mine in the department work up a sketch. They want to see if I can ID this girl and then somehow pass along a message to the parents, letting them know that the kid's alive, doing all right.
You don't mind if I write a check?
Go ahead.
You want it? You got it. Knock yourself out. Anywhere from 850,000 to 1 million every year. You got as much as you can on the computer. Other than that, you got files and looking at a state of your disappearance. You got to keep your internet separate. No email exclusive here. Talk to someone who's going to be there. It'll be your best friend after 2 days. Last that long. Good luck.
Hi, honey, it's me.
How are you?
Good.
All right.
I'm still in Cleveland. How's Cindy?
Oh, she's sweet. She's sleeping.
I'm missing the big time.
Yeah, I see too.
I'll call you tomorrow night.
Okay. Good night.
That's good.
Hi. You want to come here?
Hello, Mrs. Christian. Tom Wells. Here's where we stand. I checked the film stock. It's called Superlux 544. Now, the company that made that stock discontinued it in '92.
So the film was made prior to that.
Yes. And I'll probably be overly thorough with this, but you might want to dig up your husband's financial records about 6 or 7 years ago, just in case, see if there's anything out of the ordinary. Obviously, this isn't the kind of movie you just drop off the 1-hour
What?
photo.
So you think it's
What are you
not
doing?
right?
The film that went through the camera is what we've got. There's no negative. Unlike video, it's not really designed to be duplicated. Whatever this is, I have a feeling there aren't many copies floating around, if any. Mrs. Kirsten, I'm looking for a girl we're not even sure is missing. And with this happening 6 or 7 years ago, finding the guys who made this film, frankly, is going to be very difficult.
Oh, I know you can do a real wonderful job, Mr. Wells. Please tell me you'll continue the investigation.
I will. I'll keep trying for you.
you sing?
What is so?
Hi. You looking for Janet?
You want to dance?
Hello.
Dance for Mom.
I'm a state license investigator.
Can you
I've been
dance?
hired by the
What
U.S.
happened?
Resource Center.
Dance for
missing
Mom.
persons as part of an internal audit. If you have any time soon, I'd like to make an appointment with you to answer some questions about the disappearance of your daughter, Mary Ann. I spoke to your FBI contact yesterday, Agent.
Neil Cole.
Yes, Agent Call. He told me he was going to call you and let you know to expect me. He didn't call? Is this you? About 5 years old.
I love you. Are you tired?
No, it's important that you don't let this raise your expectations. It's not going to affect your ongoing efforts. All I'm saying is please know that I'm not here to create any false hope.
We fought all the time, Marianne and me. And her stepdad. She hated him. Because he wasn't a real dad. Takes it from me, I guess. I had to learn the hard way.
Her stepfather.
Dave, come on. 2 years after Marianne left. All the time, she resented him.
Sing.
I lost her because of him. And then I lost him. I'm the only one still here.
It's not nap
Did Mary
time.
have a boyfriend?
Sing.
She was sneaking out with someone. She wouldn't tell me
Can you
who.
sing for Mom?
Coming home with hickeys, lying all the time.
I am sorry for this, but any circumstances with the stepfather. Were there any indications of any sort of abuse?
No, there was nothing like that. The police and the FBI asked if there wasn't anything that happened like that. Never. She just told me.
I apologize. I had to ask.
Those are for her birthday. One for every year she missed. They'll be waiting for her when she comes back.
Don't pick, buddy. Don't pick your feathers.
It's 'cause I slapped her. I know. We was fighting about Dave, and she was pushing my buttons, and I slapped her.
Ditch it.
Jesus.
Ditch it.
Next day she was gone.
Oh, ditch it.
When kids run, they almost always leave the know. It's killing usually.
There wasn't one. Police left.
An abduction's one thing, a runaway's another. Sometimes it's not the priority for the police it should be.
There wasn't anything. Don't you think I wish there was?
You're probably right, but would you let me look?
You tell me not to get my hopes up, not to raise my expectations. Go ahead. I need a drink.
Can you dance? Ditch it. Hey, buddy. What you doing? What you doing, huh? About ready to take a nap? Are you about ready to take a nap? Yeah. Mama loves you. Oh, yeah. Mama. Love you, handsome. Yeah. Mama loves you. Where's your Mama Alice? Where's Mama Alice? You want to go see her? You want to go see her today? Yeah. Little buttercup. My little buttercup. Yeah.
Dear Mom, if you're reading this, it probably means I called you from Hollywood, California. I left my diary behind because I want you to see why I'm leaving. And it's not because you hit me. I hid this so Dave the dickhead wouldn't find it. Warren Anderson and me are in love, and I'm going to start a whole new life with him. Warren's dad owns that garage in town, but Warren has even bigger plans. Warren will become a star in action movies, and he says I'm prettier than a lot of girls in movies, and I could be a star too.